So we're talking about textbooks as part of talking about books in general, and partly because of inventions like this one, which is called a Kindle. It's an electronic reader.
I'd like to see our ebooks promoted more. I think they get a fair amount of use, but I'd like to see professors assigning books that we already own in ebook format. Then students wouldn't have to purchase that book. Any student could read it at any time, as opposed to a regular book. One person can check it out and they have it. No one else can check it out. But with ebooks, a student can read it online and another student can read it online at the same time. Also, I think it'd be kind of cool if the bookstore sold access to ebooks. If students had their own Kindle, I don't know if they do this yet, but if they had their own Kindle or iPad or Nook or whatever, if they use something like this and sold an electronic copy, or they were able to buy one from Amazon.com, implementing that, I think that would be really cool moving forward. But future-wise, I see a lot more ebooks in our future.